All right, well, this has been fun. That cylinder seat is just so... If I get a good focus on it. Focus. So clean. Like new. No scratches. So anyway, I got it in there. There it is. That's what it's supposed to look like. 15 pounds on the top bolt and 25 on the bottom. It was 13 and 22. I'm just a 15, 25 kind of guy. But it's in there. And it's not hitting anything. And it is tight. So I had to get that aluminum off the crankshaft. And so I took the crankshaft out, which is not a big deal because it slides on right there, on that thing right there. Right there, this thing slides on. And then it's a yoke that goes through the oil seal in the back. Get those lined up. Give it a good push, goes back. Give it a good pull. Push, and it goes back in. But anyway, it just pulls out. So I cleaned it up. It looks as good. It looks as clean. The shaft on this crankshaft, on this camshaft, on this crankshaft, is as clean as the cylinder on there. So I use sandpaper on it. I use wet and dry sandpaper, 400, 800, some emery cloth. Just took all the aluminum right off of it. Look, I got a little rust from the rain the other day. So, I guess it's time. See, this little noise you hear is the piston popping up out of the top. Oh, it looks good. Does that look good? Man, that looks good.